In this demo, I am going to demonstrate the usage of our tool ACID, an API compatibility issue detector for Android apps. Before getting into the usage, I would like to give you a little bit of context about the tool. Android is the most widely used mobile operating system. It is frequently updated to accommodate the new feature requests, meet new standards, or bug fixes from previous versions. APIs have also evolved along with the Android OS. In the last 13 years, Android releases a total of 11 OS updates and 30 API updates. This shows how frequently the Android OS and API are evolving. Android app developers have limited control on devices where their apps will run. Google recommends that developers to specify the range of the API levels their app can support by setting min SDK version and max SDK version. The mismatch between the API level supported by the device where apps are running and the API level targeted by app developers can induce compatibility issues. API invocation compatibility issues occur when an app invokes API methods that are not supported by the device. On the other hand, API callback compatibility issues occur when overridden API methods are invoked in response to an event but are missing in the API level of the device. ACID takes the app code and API difference report as input and outputs potential API invocation and callback compatibility issues. ACID consists of 4 components. API difference analyzer uses API differences report to get the API methods that can cause compatibility issues for a specific API version. API usage locator parses the source code and gets all the API usages as well as the class hierarchies. API invocation compatibility issue detector uses API differences and API invocation usages to detect compatibility issues. API callback compatibility issue detector uses the overridden API methods and API differences to detect callback compatibility issues. ACID is publicly available on GitHub. Also, our website has detailed information about how to download, install requirements, and run ACID. Now let's see how to use our tool to identify API compatibility issues in a specific application. Here we will run ACID to find compatibility issues in launch time application. I have already cloned the repository in the example folder. The source code folder of this app is under app source main Java. We only took this folder because there might be other .java files like unit test which cannot contain compatibility issues as they will not be a part of the application which will be released for the users. Now we'll run the tool from the command line using Python acid.py and the source folder path. First, it collects the API differences. If the API versions are available under the API versions, then it will use them. If not, it will download the API differences from the Google's API differences website for all the supported versions. Then it collects the API usages in the app code. The information will be stored in the stat output.txt file as a dictionary. Finally, it will detect the compatibility issues by matching the information from the previous stats. The output will be saved in the file compatibility issues.txt and under the tool folder. The output file contains API callback compatibility issues and invocation compatibility issues, as well as the incompatible API where it is used in the app code and the incompatible API levels. Using this usage information, developers can easily debug the issue. Like for this case, if we go to the onCreate method of this pin shortcut activity class, we'll find the usage of the incompatible API in the pin shortcut activity. The onCreate method, here is the usage of the incompatible API. So that's all for our demo. Welcome to download and use ACID. Thank you.